How to tape the balloon to your yogurt cup. This is a sequel to the previous video, how to make a mannequin head from your balloon. So to get this tape to hold down your balloon, cut a long piece of tape, maybe 4 inches. First attach the tape to the closed end of the balloon like that. Slide the tape down on one side of the yogurt cup and then on the other side of the yogurt cup. Then you're going to cut some more pieces of tape just to secure the balloon end so it doesn't move around so much. If you observe keenly, you'll see everything that you need to understand. So when you tape one end of the balloon, tape the opposite end to hold the balloon upright. Remember, we say to slide the tape up gently, never pull the tape down, because that's how your balloon bursts. Right, okay, it's tilted a bit too far, but you get the idea. As I was watching this video while I was editing, I was wondering why it is I would use my teeth to cut the tape when there's a pair of scissors right next to me. And that's it for this video, guys. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. Bye!